Example 2.9. Classify the numbers as rational or irrational. The first one is root 10. See, root 10 is an irrational number. Why? Because root 10 is not a perfect square number. Okay, we can write it as root of 5 into 2 like that only. So it is not a perfect square number. That's why it is a rational number. Then the next one, root 49. We can write this root 49 as root of 7 into 7. So the value of this is 7. See, this is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it's a rational number. Okay, then 0.025. See, this is terminating decimal. We have the end decimal point. So, terminating decimal means it is a rational number. Then the next one, 0.76 recurring. That means we can write it as 0.7666. Like that we can write. Okay, here we have recurring number. Okay, recurring decimal expansion. See, since it is a non-terminating, okay, because we don't know the last n decimal digit, but it is a recurring decimal expansion. So, it is a rational number. The next one, 2.50550055. Obviously, we saw some examples already. If the number is like this, it is a irrational number. Why? Means it is non-terminating as well as non-recurring decimal expansion. The next last one is root 2 by 2. That's equal to root 2, keep as it is. 2 we can write it as root 2 into root 2. Okay. Then you can cancel this one. The balance is 1 by root 2. It is an irrational number because this root 2 is not perfect square. Okay. So, it is, that is root 2 by 2 is an irrational number. Okay. Then we have one important note, that is the above example 6 is not to be misunderstood as P by Q form. Okay, see, while writing like this, see, it is in the form of P by Q, like then we can think no, but it is not in the form of P by Q because both P and Q must be integers and not an irrational numbers. See, while taking the numbers in the P by Q form, these both must be integers, okay, not an irrational numbers. Here root 2 is an irrational number, so the whole number, that is the given question, root 2 by 2 is also an irrational